Homeowners in Bethesda enjoy the charm of beautiful neighborhoods and homes full of character. But whether you live in a historic house or a modern villa, window replacement and installation can come with unique challenges. If you're planning a window installation project in Bethesda, being aware of these obstacles and knowing how to address them will save you headaches and help your project run smoothly. Dealing with older homes, Bethesda has its fair share of historic or older homes. These houses often have non-standard window openings, layers of paint, or structural settling over the years. That can make removing old windows and installing new ones tricky. It's important to work with a window contractor who is experienced in historic renovations. They will know how to measure accurately and custom order windows that fit perfectly while respecting the home's original character. Permitting and local code. Homeowners sometimes underestimate Bethesda's permitting requirements. Local codes can be strict, especially if your property is in a historic district or under wall rules. You might need permits before you replace or alter windows. An experienced window company can guide you through this paperwork and help secure approvals, avoiding costly delays or potential fines down the line. Weather concerns. Bethesda's weather brings hot, humid summers and chilly winters. During installation, you don't want moisture sneaking in around the window frame, which can happen if installation is rushed or poorly sealed. Proper flashing and sealing techniques are essential. Professionals use waterproof barriers, caulking, and insulation to protect your home against leaks and drafts. Scheduling installations during milder weather can also help, since extreme temperatures make caulking harder to apply properly. Uneven walls and settling. Settling is common in older Bethesda homes, which can cause window frames to shift or walls to become slightly out of square. Trying to fit a new, perfectly square window into a slightly crooked opening can be frustrating. Skilled installers know how to shim and adjust windows so they operate smoothly and look aligned, even if the wall around them isn't perfect. Noise reduction. Bethesda has plenty of busy streets, and homeowners often want new windows to block outside noise. If your old windows were single pane, you might be surprised by the difference modern double or triple pane glass can make. But installing these heavier, insulated units can take more care and expertise. Your installer should check that the frame and wall can properly support them without warping or causing operational issues later. Matching aesthetic requirement. Some neighborhoods in Bethesda have a specific style, and new windows should blend in. Modern window manufacturers offer many styles, including wood-clad, fiberglass, or composite frames that mimic traditional wood while providing better insulation and durability. A reputable installer will help you balance historical charm with energy efficiency, ensuring you stay within neighborhood guidelines while still getting a product that performs well. Choosing the right installer. Finally, the best way to handle these challenges is by hiring a trusted local professional. A licensed, insured, and experienced window installer familiar with Bethesda's climate, codes, and architectural styles will save you time and stress. They can help you choose the right window type, measure accurately, handle any necessary permits, and deliver a clean, reliable installation. Conclusion: window installation in Bethesda doesn't have to be overwhelming. Understanding potential challenges ahead of time, whether it's historic preservation, tricky weather, or structural surprises, allows you to plan accordingly. With an experienced team and quality products, you can enjoy beautiful, energy-efficient windows that boost your home's comfort and curb appeal for years to come.